Big trees. And then everyone's always talking about Native Americans and their bendy trees. But most of our trees that are bent are pretty small, young. But I don't know about that one. That one's pretty old. It's pretty big. And you never know, it could be a Native American tree, you know. I don't know. Be interesting. Not too sure. Lots of bluffs around here. Who knows what could be out here. Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I am at High Knob here in the Shawnee National Forest. And this is High Knob Overlook, which is pretty cool. You can see all sorts of the Shawnee near and far. Everyone calls these hills, I call them mountains. Especially when you hike them off trail and you do 118 floors in one hike after 14 miles. They're mountains to me. But that's the Shawnee. That's what I say Shawnee proud about. And I am pretty proud of this cool forest that I get to experience. I love the Shawnee. Isn't that just cool, the layers? Yep. So, gonna hike the hiker only trail here at the picnic area. Alright. Gonna do the hiker only trail, which is conveniently right up here by the parking lot. And then it'll take you down the road a little bit and you just walk back up into the parking lot. Now it is summer, so you know, in the summer you can expect the trail to be a little overgrown and you know, spider webs, but that's part of hiking in summer. Alrighty folks, cool little scene here with the bluffage, a little crack in the bluffage. And we should be getting down into the bluffage pretty soon as we continue down this nice little trail, nice little single track. It is hiker only, so it's not tore up. And it's nice, you know, you don't really have to try to dodge poop and big holes that could break your ankles. Nothing against the horse folks, it's just it is nice to have a hiker only trail every now and then. Found some friends up here hanging out under the bluffage, if you can see them. Can you see them? Can you see all of them? Lots of little friends up there hanging around in the bluffage. Woohoo! Look at them all. They just needed my touch. Alrighty, climbed up to the top of this little piece of bluffage, and it's a cool little area. Cool little rock there with a bowl indention in it.
I just found a penny.
You found a penny? My girlfriend finds pennies everywhere, including in the middle of the forest. She's my penny finder. She's my penny finder four-leaf clover finder, snake finder, skink and lizard finder, heart rock finder. Oh my gosh, I can make a whole series on heart rocks, and it lasts for at least 100 years. All right, here's some. I wanted to feature this cool little stairs as you're hiking down into the bluffage. Little carved out stairs, probably carved out from CCC or some of the folks who helped, other organizations helped, Youth Conservation Corps. I think they've done a lot in modern times over here, so definitely thanks to everyone involved who is helping to bring this little portion of the Shawnee back to life, because it's a pretty area. All the bluffage, new signs, and really beautiful area. Plenty of places you want to stop and just hang out. Like this cool area with the bluffage. Very cool. Getting up here with the bluffage. Be careful if you do come up here and climb on bluffs like me. I'm not advocating. I always watch where I'm going. I'm always really careful. So do be careful as well. But you can see all sorts of bluffage and trees, and hear the lawnmowers and occasional donkey or mule. Yeah, it's a pretty area. Somewhere my girlfriend's somewhere in the forest. I know she wandered off. Look at all the antlion holes. That's what those are, antlion holes. All right. Cool little area. Definitely wanted to show. Neat little walls of bluffage. Very cool. Yeah. Very cool. Big tree. Look at that layered bluffage. That's cool. It's pretty neat. Make a good picture. I think I'm gonna call this rock Sleepy Rock. My girlfriend says it looks like it just got tired and slid off. So Sleepy Rock is appropriate. It's probably called something else. But Sleepy Bluffage. Really cool area. A really nice trail. Definitely a trail you have to come see if you're in the area or visiting and you want a short little easy fun hike for the whole family. Cool natural shelter right there with a kind of a balancing rock up there. Looks like. Big old bluffage. Really pretty area. Alrighty folks, climbed up a little area in the bluffage. Little crack in the bluffage. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Looking out for snakes. Kind of neat up here. Howdy.
Howdy.
More hikers.
So there's got to be another way.
And just a cool area. Very cool area. Alrighty, folks. More coolness. All sorts of coolness here. As we continue to hike. Yeah. Alrighty, folks. Really cool area here. The bluffage is just, it's like lots of little patterns on it. It's just really neat. I just think that's really cool looking. Cool looking little tight squeeze of a hallway. It's part of the trail. And just a really interesting, neat area. Definitely may have to come back here in the fall. Try to explore a little bit more of the bluffage. And enjoy. But still like coming here in the summer too. Seeing everything green. Alrighty, folks, turn the corner and, well, more bluffage. More awesome bluffage. So, cool little overlooks, or not overlooks, but natural shelters. And cracks in the bluffage, and oh yeah, this is cool. This is neat. I bet this thing at one time was attached up here and just fell for whatever reason. And there's this cool looking and what's interesting is I really don't see, oh never mind, there's a burn pit, or what's left of one. I can see light through that one. Oh, that's interesting. Someone's decided to. That's funny. I guess they think it's holding it up. That's neat. A little. Yeah. Look at that. That's not. There's a structure here or something at one time. Maybe.
No, there was a structure.
Yeah, some sort of structure. Huh. I wonder what was there. Maybe a sign or something.
It might have been.
Mm-hmm. Do you see that though? They're holding up the rock. But definitely looks like in there is a place to go. Well, since they're holding up the rock, I'll step on it. Yeah, pretty cool. A little bit of glass on the ground.
Hey.
Huh?
Come here. Back up and come here.
Okay.
You gotta see this cutie. Come in.
Oh, look at that. You gotta be kidding me.
Can we take the light off?
No, keep the light on. Look at that cute little guy. being all cute. Oh. That's too cute. That's good. Good catch. All sorts of big boulders in these parts. This is Trail 105, by the way, for anyone wondering. It's really cool. I don't know. Where's the... See where the trail goes? Getting in some more pretty cool bluffage areas with the forest slightly opening up. That's interesting. I guess this is the one time that people feel that it's okay to graffiti when you write something like that. I don't have nothing against religious people, but that's not okay. Too bad whoever didn't put that there doesn't go to prison for all. Not okay. Not okay. And this was the end of the High Knob Trail. Trail number 105, junction 105A. I don't know where 105A went. I didn't see any other trail. Then you just get back on the road here and you climb back up to the top, which is right up here, very short. And they've re-gravelled. This is new gravel. So thank you, Forest Service. Always nice to get new gravel on a forest road. Means they're maintaining areas. And yeah, I just wish the fire tower was still here. That'd be one heck of a view. Really, if the one on Williams Hill was still there, wow. Whew. That'd be a view. If you like this video, be sure to share it. Hit that like button, really helps out when y'all do that. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought. And if you're not a subscriber to Hiking with Shawn, please subscribe. Huh, that's different. Huh. That's interesting. I'm kind of confused because the trail's up here. But that's whatever. That's
105A.
Yep. But yeah, so subscribe on YouTube, and I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can also check out my website at hikingwithshawn.com for articles and all sorts of goodies that you can't find anywhere else. So thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. And until next time, I'll see you on the trail. Look at that beautiful view. Whew, man. Gonna have to hike some more.